Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our YouTube channel dedicated to personal development and growth. Today, we have an exciting topic that everyone can benefit from: how to instantly gain anyone's respect. In this video, we'll reveal powerful strategies and techniques that will help you unlock your personal magnetism and earn respect from others effortlessly. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. The power of self-respect. Respect begins with yourself. By cultivating self-respect, you project an aura of confidence and authenticity that naturally attracts others. Here are some essential practices to enhance yourself. Respect. Embrace self-care. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being to boost your self-esteem. Set personal boundaries. Define your limits and communicate them assertively to others. Cultivate self-awareness. Understand your values, strengths, and weaknesses to showcase your authentic self. Segment 2. Active listening and empathy. One of the most effective ways to gain someone's respect is by truly understanding them. Active listening and empathy are crucial skills to master. Here's how. Give undivided attention. Show genuine interest by maintaining eye contact and avoiding distractions. Practice reflective listening. Repeat and summarize what the other person says to demonstrate your understanding. Show empathy. Put yourself in their shoes and validate their emotions without judgment. Segment 3. Demonstrating competence and expertise. People naturally respect those who excel in their field. Here are tips to showcase your competence. Continuous learning. Stay updated on industry trends. Enhance your skills and showcase your expertise. Share knowledge. Provide valuable insights, tips, and solutions to others through various platforms, such as writing articles, hosting workshops, or creating YouTube videos. Consistency and reliability. Deliver high-quality work consistently and honor your commitments to build a reputation of trustworthiness. Segment 4. Cultivating confidence and assertiveness. Confidence and assertiveness play a vital role in commanding respect from others. Here's how you can develop these qualities. Positive self-talk. Replace self-doubt with positive affirmations and believe in your abilities. Body language. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and speak clearly to exude confidence. Assertive communication. Express your opinions respectfully, stand up for yourself, and address conflicts constructively. Segment 5. Authenticity and integrity. Being true to yourself is a magnetic quality that commands respect. Here's how to cultivate authenticity. Live by your values. Align your actions with your core principles, and don't compromise your integrity. Own your mistakes. Take responsibility for your errors and learn from them, showing humility and growth. Be genuine. Be true to who you are and avoid putting on a facade to please others. By implementing these strategies, you now possess the tools to instantly gain anyone's respect. Remember, respect is earned, not demanded. Cultivate self-respect, master active listening, demonstrate competence, nurture confidence, and embrace authenticity. Practice these skills consistently, and you'll see remarkable changes in your personal and professional relationships. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.